Good morning, everyone. By now it's the 7th week of our lessons at home, and in this video we're going to look at paragraph 7.5. Don't worry, I haven't run. We actually skipped 7.4, so that's correct. 7.5 is a pretty long one, so I'm going to divide it into 3 separate parts. This is part 1. And the first part is still relatively easy. The second part is also somewhat easy, and the third part will get pretty hard. Or at least my other classes thought it was hard. So, what are we going to do in this paragraph? In the first 2 parts, we're going to add new tools to our toolbox to calculate angles, and after that, we're going to basically use our entire toolbox. So, today, we're going to look at Z angles. What are they? Right now, if we're going to look at this example, the only angle you will be able to calculate is angle B1. This is a triangle, so you can calculate B1. But then you'd be stuck for angle B2 and D2. Why is that? It's basically because these lines are not straight angles, not right angles. So we need something different, which will be Z angles. Okay, so what are Z angles? Well, draw the following thing in your notebook. I've actually managed to gather a protected triangle, so that's something. For a Monday morning, that's probably like my maximum. Never mind. This is Z, as you can probably see. And what are Z angles? Well, this kind of shape is something that you can that you can recognize pretty often. And then there are 2 angles that are equal, which is this angle over here, this angle over there. So let's give those angles names, A, B, C, D. In this case, angle A is equal to angle C. Is that always the case? No, you have to be very careful. For example, if we have this figure, I want you to draw this as well. Maybe I'm standing in front of it right now. You should wait a little. In this case, well, if you look at these angles, this one and this one, they're obviously not equal. So what's different between the fact that this one looks like it's drawn by a Zorro and that one is like a normal one? Well, the thing is, it's about these lines, A, B, and C, D. In this case, those lines are parallel. Whenever you want to use Z angles, you need parallel lines. Whenever you want to use Z angles, bottom. Of the Z have to be parallel. So maybe you already saw them. In this example there are 2 arrows which basically mean that these lines are parallel in fact. So let's try and look at our example now. Make sure you draw it in your notebook as well, so I'll wait for, I won't actually really wait, you can pause it. I already said that I could calculate angle B1 using the angle sum, so I'm going to start doing that. And maybe you can already do that yourself, maybe not. I hope most of you are able to do it actually. Angle B1, remember, all three angles of a triangle together are always 180 degrees. So 180 minus these two angles is equal to 54 degrees, and I'm using the angle sum. Remember to write these things down. Angle sum. Okay. So what now? Now we're going to try and use Z angles. Maybe you can already see the Z in this figure, maybe not. It's like the mirrored one. In this case, angle B1 and D2 are equal. B1, D2 sounds like it could be something in Star Wars actually. A small robot, I guess. So both of these things are 54 degrees because they're angles. So without actually calculating anything, we do already know this angle. And now that we know angle D2, we can calculate angle B2. Why? Once again, the angle sum. Triangle BCD is a triangle. So now, angle B2 is equal to 180 minus 70 minus 54, which is 56 degrees. And I'm using the angle sum again. So we couldn't have done this example without EC angles, but with them we were able to calculate every single angle. Hopefully you're able to do this by yourself as well. Yeah, well, if you have questions, you'll probably ask me in a minute.